Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Camry gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release lever inside your car. This lever is usually found on the floor, positioned to the left of the driver's seat, often near the hood release. Once you find it, simply pull the lever firmly upwards. You should hear a click, indicating that the fuel door has unlatched. Then, you can easily open the fuel door from the outside to begin fueling your vehicle. The fuel door release lever is designed for easy access and is often marked with a small gas pump icon to help you identify it quickly. Before you pull the lever, make sure your Toyota Camry is safely in park. This ensures the vehicle is stationary and prevents any accidental movement. A gentle, yet firm, pull on the lever is typically all that's needed to release the fuel door mechanism. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. If the interior release lever doesn't work, don't worry, there's a manual override. You'll need to access your car's trunk. Once inside, look for a small cord or button, usually located on the left side, behind the fuel door area. This is your emergency release. Give the cord a gentle pull or press the button, and the fuel door should pop open. This method is a reliable backup if the primary system encounters an issue. If you're still having trouble, first check for any ice, dirt, or other obstructions around the fuel door itself that might be preventing it from opening. Also, ensure your car is completely unlocked, as some models link the fuel door to the central locking system. If issues persist, a quick visit to a service center might be necessary. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always important, especially on long drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.